Not too many household products like oils, etc., are great moisturizers. I mean, some of them work fairly well. Like olive oil is not a bad moisturizer, but the problem with those coconut oils, olive oils, etc., are they're comedogenic, which means they clog your pores and make you more prone to getting acne. Other things that can be used are things like baby oil, which a lot of folks have around their house, which is a great moisturizer for your body, not so much for your face. Petroleum-based products like Aquaphor or Vaseline, also great moisturizers which are lying around the house. Again, not so great for the face or areas that are acne prone, but they're good general moisturizers for the body. When it comes to the face, the chest, the upper back, areas that are prone to acne, you really want to go with a more conventional moisturizer. And you want to make sure that that moisturizer says on the bottle, non-comedogenic, which means it's non-pore clogging and will not make you generate acne from having clogged pores. That's really the important thing to look at in acne prone areas like your face, your chest, and your upper back.